How to create Picsart account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. The first step is you need to install Picsart application on your device. After installing, you can open it up, and after opening, you'll be able to see this interface over here. Since we are going for create an account, you can go for either create an account, or you can also continue with your Google or Facebook. Here I am going for Google. If you are continuing with Google, then you have to select your Gmail account with which you want to create a Picsart account. After that, here you need to allow access to this app to use your photos and medias. And after a few seconds, you can see my account has been created. So by following this simple step, you can create Picsart account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.